Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are at Walmart and we are here to do our weekly rebate haul. We're going to be using Shopkick, Swag Bucks, Brand Club, and Ibotta. So last week I was able to cash out with Brand Club and get my money. I was able to sync all of my receipts. I'm still able to do syncing because I had gotten some stuff at Target, and it looks like there's something on my face here. Maybe, I don't know. No, there's nothing there. And I was able to sync and get money back through a Target purchase that was totally coupon related. And now there's a really big train. So all that has been working out with Brand Club, back to normal. Hopefully it stays that way for a little while, but everything seems to be good to go on my end for me anyways. So we're gonna go in here and we're gonna do most of our rebate shopping, but I do wanna go get 2 rebates at Rite Aid that are really good rebates and a really good amount of money back. So you definitely want to do that in with my rebate shopping. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. I am Sarah and I like to show you how to save money any way that I can. There is a Google Doc linked down below in the description box to help you plan your trip or to help you out in the store. So anyways, guys, let's go inside and see what we can do. So first we're gonna hit the travel section. We're gonna grab this little guy right here for $2.16. I have a 75-cent rebate on Ibotta and a $2 survey on Brand Club. I did get the survey back the last time I grabbed this, so that's gonna make this a 59-cent moneymaker. Next, we're gonna do the Herbal Essence travel stuff here. It's $1.97. We're gonna grab a shampoo and a conditioner. And these are $1.97 a piece, so it'll be $3.94 for both of them. You will get back $3 on Ibotta, making it 94 cents for both of them. Now there's also a deal for these here as well. I already did them last week, but it's also a really good deal that I'll put in the Google Doc if you want to do that deal too. I'm gonna do this deal again because I'm doing this on my other Ibotta account, and I still have this rebate for $2.75 back for 2 of them. So I want to warn you, I have some mangled coupons because I forgot my scissors at home. So we're going to grab 2 of these and it's going to cost $5.56. I'm sorry, it's going to cost $5.44. We're going to use a $1 coupon and a $1 from the coupons.com app. Then we're going to submit our receipt to Ibotta for 75 cents back on 2. It's going to make both of these just 69 cents. So if you haven't done that deal yet, definitely do it, and it's a great deal. So next we're gonna do the Dove Baby Dove hand and face wipes. They're $1.56. I'm gonna do this on both of my Shopkicks because I have 2. But anyways, these are $1.56. We have 900 buy kicks for this and 15 scan kicks. That equals out to $3.66. So you buy this, you get back $3.66 on Shopkick, making it a $2.10 moneymaker. $2.10 moneymaker. So I'm definitely picking this up, and I'm going to do it twice. So that's going to be awesome. Another good deal that you could do if your store carries the smaller packs of the New Leaf is get the New Leaf for $8.97. There is a $2 coupons.com offer and a $3 rebate on Ibotta, and I have a 4,500 offer on Fetch. Some people have higher, making it a 53-cent moneymaker, but for some reason my store only carries the big boxes of them, so I won't be doing that deal today. So now we're gonna do some Snuggle. I always try to do Snuggle. So we're gonna grab the Exhilarations for $8.47. I have a $2 rebate on Ibotta for this, but then I also have 760 kicks on Shopkick. $7.50 to buy and $10 for scanning. That equals out to $3.04. So the final cost for this guy is gonna be $3.43, which isn't terrible. We've got some good money makers to help cover it, so I'm totally happy with that because we got a little money maker here, we got some money makers here, and that will cover it. So now we're gonna grab a Super Fresh for $4.44. We have a $1 rebate on Ibotta and $3.04 on Shopkick. Again, $7.50 to buy and $10 to scan. Making this just 73 cents, so I'm definitely grabbing these two. We're gonna do the all again because I have a $2 rebate for each one of the alls, but this time we have $1.50 coupons. Now the app on Ibotta says that it can't be combined, and then it cuts off the wording. So I'm gonna use a paper coupon for one of them, and I'm going to use the coupons.com app for the other one. So let's grab them both. And so they're $3.47 a piece. We get $2 back on Ibotta. And then I have some chewed up coupons. I have a chewed up coupon for $1.50 back. Isn't that so sad? For $1.50 off of here as well. So that's gonna make them free and a 3-cent moneymaker. So I'm taking that too. Next, we're gonna grab the Glade warmer with a refill kit for $3.48. We have $2.50 back on Ibotta. We're also going to submit our receipt to the coupons.com app for $2.50, making this $1.53 moneymaker. So I love when we can get these for free. Next, we're gonna get the Clorox disinfecting spray mist for $6.82 a piece. The refills do not count on the Ibotta rebate. Now, I seen on Bree's group yesterday where people were saying they couldn't find it. I couldn't find it when I was looking through all the offers, but when I typed in Clorox or when I scan it, the offer is there and I'm able to clip it, and there's no time restraint on it right now. So I'm gonna pick up two of these, and they're gonna cost $13.64. I have these printable coupons that I've had for quite a while. They expire in just a couple of days, and it's for the disinfecting mist. So I have two of them, so it's gonna pay, sorry about that, I'm gonna pay $12.64. I'm going to submit my receipt to Ibotta for $2 back on each one. Then I'm going to submit my receipt to Swagbucks and get back $4 for the both of them, making it $4.64 for the both of them, which is a little high, but I've been really wanting to get these. Now, I've seen a lot of people's stores be quite a bit cheaper than mine, so check your store and see how much they are. I was gonna do the Instables again, but they haven't gotten any more in. But I did this deal last week, worked totally fine, and I did get my $1 back from Brand Club. So it made it like a 50-cent moneymaker. But there's also an offer for this. So I'm gonna get one of these for $1 and get 50 cents back. And then on another offer, I'm gonna get $1, or buy this for $1 and get 50 cents back. So, two offers right there, boom, boom. So we're gonna grab these here, or this here, for $3.53. I have a $2 rebate on Ibotta and a $2 Brand Club survey that I got back last week. I'll do it again for this week. So that will make that free and a 47-cent moneymaker. And then we're gonna grab this here, and this is $1.72. We have $1 back on Ibotta. So that's everything I'm grabbing here. I'm gonna go to Rite Aid and grab a few things, and then I should be able to complete my bonus. So we're gonna pick up a couple of deals, and so we're gonna be spending $40 so that we will get back an extra $10 in bonus cash. I'm picking up the Avizia eye drops. They're $12.99 a piece. They're 25% off, so that will take off $3.24 off of each one. Plus they're buy two, get back $10 in bonus cash. I have these $5 printable coupons that I got from the Avizia website. Jody texted me this deal, and I was so happy to do it, so I printed off two of these. So the total is $19.50. We're going to use $10 in coupons and pay $9.50, but we'll get back $10 in bonus cash. Then we're going to submit our receipt to Ibotta, and we're going to get back $5 there, making these free and a $5.50 moneymaker. I'm going to do this deal a second time. It's actually a limit of 4, but these are $15.49. They're buy one, get one free, and then when you buy one, you get back $5. So even though one of them is free, you're still going to get back $5 in bonus cash. There is a $2 coupon that we can use from the 10 to save insert, but it will beep, and I didn't bring it in because I didn't want to deal with the beeping. So you're going to pay $15.49. If your store forces through the $2 coupon, you would pay $13.49. You'll get back $10 in bonus cash, you're going to then submit your receipt to Ibotta. I am doing this on a separate Ibotta account that I did earlier in the week. So you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta and you're going to get back $3 for each one of those vitamins, plus a dollar bonus. If you've already submitted your receipt, then you won't get the dollar bonus, or if you don't have a second account, if you know what I mean. So then that's going to make these free and a 303 moneymaker. What happened to me was the cashier said, hey, I have one of those coupons. I know it's not working, but I will go ahead and enter it in for you. So I ended up getting the $2 off anyways. Next, we're going to grab the Persil. The Persil is on sale for $5.99, and when you buy one, you'll get back $2 in bonus cash, making it $3.99. So I will definitely take that because Persil is my all-time favorite. So there's one more deal I want to show you, and that is on the candles. Certain candles are 60% off. I'm going to grab one that is for $11.39. So 60% off of $11.39 would take the total down to $4.56. But when you buy one, you're going to get back $2 in bonus cash, making it $2.56. So this is everything that we're going to grab here. Our total is going to equal out to $45.54 before all of our coupons. We're using a booster. When you spend $40, you get back $10 in bonus cash, as well as a store coupon that will take 5 off of $25. Now that coupon does expire tomorrow, so if you want to use it before then, you better get on it. That coupon has been unlimited use, so I have used it several times, so it's really nice to have a coupon like that. So after that 5 off of $25, my $5 printables, and the $2 coupon the cashier gave me, my total is going to come to $28.54. I'm going to get back $34 in bonus cash. 10 for the booster, 10 for the eye drops, 10 for the vitamins, and 4 for the candle and the Persil. $2 for each one of them. I just wanted to clarify that. Then I'm going to submit my receipt to Ibotta, and I'm going to get back $5 for the eye drops. I'm going to get back $7 for the vitamins. It's going to make everything in my cart free, and a $17.46 moneymaker, guys. That's just insane for these few items and what items that I got. So that is everything for shopping. Let's go out to the car and take a look at everything and see how everything went. All right, guys, so we are back in from Rite Aid and Walmart, and I only had one tiny little, and it isn't really even an issue to me anyways. It's just part of couponing, but I only had to verify one of the Snuggle rebates for $1, and that went through totally fine, and I got credited all the money from Ibotta from both stores. I couldn't get it out. From Walmart and Rite Aid, I got my money back like instantly. So I didn't know what my bonus was going to be for the Weekend Warrior, if I even was getting one. So I played it safe with 15 offers. I know that seems crazy to play it safe with 15 offers, but I did it on my other Ibotta account, and typically the Weekend Warrior for that account is a little bit less than the one that I normally use, which I always get 5 for 18 offers for Weekend Warriors. I always do. So I got a $5 Weekend Warrior on the account that I used today, and I did not get the $10 10-year Ibotta anniversary bonus on this account, but I did on my regular account, which is 10 for 48 offers, which is pretty par for that account because that's the one I use all the time. But anyways, that's really all to talk about with that. I did have a Weekend Warrior, so that is always good. So my total at Walmart was $55.15. My total after coupons at Rite Aid was $28.51. And then I bought that second pack of the Dove baby wipes for $1.56. So my total for the 3 transactions was $85.22. The good thing with that is, though, I didn't have to pay all of that out of pocket. I had money on my Ibotta account. I had bonus cash to help pay for my Rite Aid haul, so I did not have to pay all of that out of pocket. I probably only paid half of that out of pocket. So my total was $85.22. I got back $24.50 from Ibotta for Walmart, and I got back $11 in rebates from Ibotta at Rite Aid, and those are just the regular rebates. I got back a $5 Weekend Warrior bonus, and I got back $1 vitamin bonus at Rite Aid for getting the 2 kids vitamins. I got back $4 from my points because I submitted it to my points. I got back $4 for that. I got back $13, or should get back $13.40 altogether on Shop.with, which equals out to 3,350 kicks. I should get back $4 from Brand Club, and then I got back $34 in bonus cash from Rite Aid, which is crazy. The whole thing was crazy, absolutely crazy. So my total for those transactions were free and an $11.
Future Sarah here. I forgot to tell you guys that I would be getting back money from the coupons.com app. $2.50 for the Airwick, $1.50 for the All, and $1 for the FDS spray. So that's another $6 back. So my total would not be free and an $11.68 money maker. It would be free and a $17.68 money maker. That is a big difference. Sometimes if I forget $1, I don't update you guys. But when I forget $6, I definitely update you.
So yes, Rite Aid helped make my Ibotta haul this week so much cheaper. But just because you do Ibotta every week or almost every week doesn't mean you have to limit it to Walmart. You can try Walgreens, CVS, Target, Rite Aid, Publix, HEB, Albertsons, ShopRite, Kroger, Meijer. You know what I mean? You don't have to just go to Walmart and do an Ibotta haul. You know what I mean? You can branch out to get those bonuses, and that's what I did today. Now, Rite Aid is in 18 states. So it's in mainly the East Coast and the West Coast. So I know that's unfortunate because there has been some really hot deals there. But if you have a Rite Aid nearby, give it a shot. There's some really good deals there sometimes. So I love shopping there, and I'm happy that I was able to incorporate that in my Ibotta haul today, because I knew it was going to be a little bit more expensive, or I wouldn't have gone, because the deals aren't the greatest. I mean, they're good, but they're not, you know what I mean? And it seems like that's the case after we have a big bonus, like the $40 for 130 offer type of thing. That seems to happen a lot after those big bonuses, which I'm fine with, because, you know, it seems like it's a race to get to those big ones. But anyways, guys, that is really all I have. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful for you. Don't forget to grab your Google Doc down below in the description box if you are shopping today. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye, guys. All right, guys, so we are back in from Rite Aid and Walmart, and I am going to go over the Rite Aid transaction. We shouldn't have to go over the Rite Aid transaction. I did it in store. Okay. All right, guys, we are back in from Walmart and Rite Aid, and I gotta say the Rite Aid transaction saved me. Otherwise, this would have been quite a costly haul. So maybe it's just, I don't know, maybe this is not a good rebate haul to show you. I don't know. So I didn't know what my offer or my, so I had 5 for 15 offers, and I didn't get this special $10 Ibotta. Oh my gosh. So I got a $5 Weekend Warrior for. So yes, Rite Aid helped me this week to make my Ibotta haul cheaper. But Ibotta.